Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted videos in a long time. So yeah. So this is like Walmart slime video. So yeah. I will be telling you the prices down below. I mean right now and in the description if you want to get them. So yeah, this is the first one. As you can see, or slimy, whatever. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a nice one, but it has a weird texture. Like, you know, like, it makes a weird noise. Look. You can hear it. That's very weird. And another, here's a good slime, but like it's rubber, it feels rubber, but it's also pretty stretchy, which is weird. But yeah. I'm not doing ASMR because I can't really. Should I do a bubble? Okay, no. So this was $4.87, I think. Yeah. Which is so weird because this next one is from Compound Kings. And this is the greenest one. It was 97 cents. 97, can you believe that? This one is very special. Like it's so weird noise from the other one, but not as much and very stretchy. I want to do a bubble, but I don't want to do them everywhere because I have a lot of papers on it, and I don't want them to get dirty, so yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to read the other one. I will give this like an 8 out of 10, and this one's like a 9, because when you do it fast, I just like to rip the part away. This next one is from the same company. It's the yellow one because I wanted to get both because I was been watching a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of these compound things have a little bit different textures. Oh yeah, I forgot to rate this one. I rated it 10 out. Oh yeah, never mind. Anyway, it was enough. So this one is just a little bit more rubber, as you can see. It still makes bubble pops, but as you can see, it's not that stretchier. But I feel like I give it like a 8.5 out of 10. Okay guys, this next one's from Nickelodeon. This one's from Crazy Art. It's Nickelodeon. I never, actually this is my first time getting this one. It's called Mint to Be. Like it's supposed to be like a mint slime. And plus, this one has a very strong sentiment, which is okay for me because I don't know, like some people get migraines. I feel like I'm the one, but like I get migraines like for a long, like I get migraines not that often, but I do. It depends how strong the scent is. And right now I'm kind of having a little migraine. Excuse my hair. Okay, guys. Excuse me my hair. You know what I don't like about these containers? The sign likes to stick on the sides. But I do like the color of this one. I know what it's supposed to be like a minty slime. Like I know what the type of. To be honest, you know, I remember what this reminds me of. Mint chip ice cream. Because it's like bluish or a bluish greenish. it has like these beads to represent like chocolate chunks. So here's the slime. Ooh, it's a little bit rubbery, well, like, and this was $3.97. I'm sorry if you hear noises in the background. Those are my parents. So like, this is so close to be it's so close to feel like a regular homemade slime, but it's not because it's a little bit like. So I rate like a 9.5 out of 10, guys. This last one would really caught my eye really good because I'm sorry guys if I haven't posted a video in a long time. I've been busy getting ready for vacation, so yeah. And when I'm on vacation, I expect to see a lot of videos. I promise. So next one is this bucket of clear slime, guys. Like I have been playing for it, but it's still pretty clear. So, and plus I didn't even feel like doing a video, but I just wanted to. Why not? I have slime, so why not review it? So it's a clear pre-made slime. It's still pretty clear when you look at it. Like, I know it's rubby, but it's okay because, you know, like clear slime tend to be rubby because I feel like the glue is more, like, rubbier. So, yeah. I actually like this slime. It feels like a real homemade slime. It really does. And this was, like, $4.80. Yeah, $4.80. So yeah. Wait, let's do some bubble pops. So I probably rate this like a 10. So yeah. Comment down below which one's your favorite of all of these. Like, to be honest, I like the clear slime because, like, you know this orb slimy one? It's not all the way full. And plus, this one's $4. So, and plus this one's $4 too, for this whole bucket and this one, a little container for $4. That's so dumb. If you want to get them. But, to be honest, guys, I'm trying to do every other day now, hopefully. So yeah, if I do every other day, expect the video on, what day is that? Saturday, on Monday, hopefully. I'm not saying I won't do, it depends if I have time. So yeah, guys, peace out. Now, bye.